Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Realtek Semiconductor Corp extension install error. And it might read error 0x80070103. So this can occur if the installation just didn't complete successfully due to perhaps system corruption, or the file itself wasn't downloaded correctly, or there were some problems with the download. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what we're going to start with here is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best match, or come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go on the right side underneath options, and you want to select where it says other troubleshooters. So go ahead and left click on that. Underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter from the list. And then hopefully that would have been able to rectify the problem. And then if you went ahead and checked for Windows updates, you should be good to go. You may need to scroll down on the right side here and then select Advanced Options. And then underneath Optional Updates, go under here. And for any new driver updates, I'd recommend installing them too at this time. So go ahead and download and install them. We're not going to wait for this to finish downloading and installing, but you guys get the point. So it shouldn't take very long. I mean, it is a display driver, so it shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds, honestly. But there you go. So once that's done, if you close out of here, I would suggest one more thing to try would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt, right click on it, select run as administrator, select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and now type in SFC space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see Windows Resource Protection did find corrupt files. Go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer at this time. And then hopefully at this point your issue with your Realtek drivers or extensions should be resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.